Get on a journey in the world of real estate can be both thrilling and intimidating. Whether you're just starting out or have dreams of becoming a real estate millionaire, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the secrets of real estate success, as demonstrated by someone who achieved financial prosperity through this game by the age of 25. Not only will we explore this inspiring journey, but we'll also show you how you can potentially expedite your path to success. Real estate, at first glance, may not appear glamorous. Run-down properties, neglected landscapes, and dilapidated fences are far from attractive. But for those who understand the game, these are the sweet smells of money. Real estate is essentially about solving problems, and when you can solve someone's significant real estate problem, you're usually rewarded handsomely. Today, we'll delve into the world of real estate, simplify its complexities, and introduce you to the ideas that can lead to substantial wealth. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, this video aims to provide valuable insights to help you make informed decisions in the real estate game. Real estate is not a one-size-fits-all industry. It encompasses various forms, each with its unique characteristics. Here are the main categories. Residential real estate. This category includes properties where people reside, such as single-family homes, condos, and apartments. Commercial real estate. Commercial real estate is home to businesses, including office buildings, retail spaces, and warehouses. Industrial real estate. This sector involves properties where goods are manufactured or stored, like industrial parks, warehouses, and factories. And there is agricultural real estate also. With so many real estate options available, the question arises: what kind of real estate should you pursue? Some investors have found immense success in commercial properties, while others have thrived in residential real estate. However, the focus here is on residential real estate, not because it's the easiest entry point, but because it has the potential to generate substantial cash flow. Let's illustrate this with a simple example. Imagine purchasing a $100,000 single-family home with a minimal down payment. Over time, this property appreciates in value. If it appreciates by just 4% annually, you could make a significant profit when you decide to sell it. If you repeat this process with multiple homes, you could accumulate substantial wealth. Since 1970, real estate has consistently shown an average annual increase in value, largely due to population growth. More people moving to an area creates demand for housing, which drives property values up. If you own real estate in such a growing market, you benefit from appreciation. Let's go back to our $100,000 house example. If it appreciates at 5% per year, that's an additional $5,000 in value annually. Over 5 years, this adds up to $25,000 in appreciation. By reinvesting this money in more properties, you can multiply your wealth exponentially. The formula for real estate success involves 3 key components. Cash flow. Generating income from rent or lease agreements. Appreciation. Profiting from the property's increasing value over time. Reinvestment. Using your earnings to acquire additional properties. By combining these elements, you can create a reliable strategy for building wealth through real estate. Over time, you can accumulate properties, benefit from appreciation, and secure your financial future. Real estate is a game that offers incredible opportunities for those willing to learn and take action. If you're just starting or looking to enhance your real estate journey, remember that residential real estate, when approached strategically, can generate substantial cash flow and appreciation. The key is to stay committed, never become complacent, and continually reinvest in your future. This video has only scratched the surface of the potential within the real estate game. To dive deeper and discover how you can replicate the success of real estate millionaires, consider seeking further education, mentorship, and resources in this dynamic field. Your financial future in real estate awaits. Take the first step today. Real estate investing can be a great way to build wealth, generate passive income, and achieve financial freedom. However, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved before you get started. This guide will walk you through the essential steps you need to take to get started in real estate investing. 1. Set your goals. The first step is to define your goals for real estate investing. What do you want to achieve? Are you looking to build wealth for retirement? Generate passive income? Create a legacy for your family? Once you know your goals, you can start to develop a strategy for achieving them. 2. Do your research. Before you invest in any property, it's important to do your research and understand the market. This includes understanding the current trends, the demand for different types of properties, and the costs involved in buying, renovating, and managing properties. You should also learn about the different types of real estate investing strategies, such as buy and hold, flipping, and rental properties. 3. Get pre-approved for a loan. Even if you're not ready to buy a property right away, it's a good idea to get pre-approved for a loan. This will give you an idea of how much you can afford to borrow and will make the buying process go more smoothly when you're ready to make an offer. 4. Find a good real estate agent. A good real estate agent can be a valuable asset when you're getting started in real estate investing. They can help you find properties, negotiate prices, and close deals. When choosing a real estate agent, be sure to interview multiple agents and choose someone who you feel comfortable with and who has a good understanding of your goals. 5. Choose the right property. The right property is the key to success in real estate investing. When choosing a property, you need to consider factors such as location, condition, price, and potential for appreciation. It's also important to choose a property that you're comfortable with and that fits your investment goals. 6. Make a plan. Once you've found the right property, it's time to make a plan. This includes creating a budget, setting a timeline, and identifying potential risks. Your plan should be flexible enough to adapt to changes in the market, but it should also provide you with a clear roadmap for achieving your goals. 7. Manage your property. Once you've purchased a property, you'll need to manage it. This includes finding tenants, collecting rent, and handling repairs. If you're not comfortable managing a property yourself, you can hire a property manager to do it for you. 8. Stay patient and persistent. Real estate investing is a long-term game. Don't expect to get rich quick. It takes time, patience, and persistence to be successful. If you're willing to put in the work, real estate investing can be a great way to achieve your financial goals. Here are some additional tips for getting started in real estate investing. Start small. Don't try to take on too much too soon. Start with one property and then gradually add more properties as you gain experience. Don't overextend yourself. Don't borrow more money than you can afford to repay. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a variety of properties in different locations. Stay up to date on the market. Keep track of market trends and make sure you're making informed investment decisions. Be prepared to work hard. Real estate investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work and dedication to be successful. If you're willing to put in the work, real estate investing can be a great way to achieve your financial goals. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. And please subscribe to Good to Know.